Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome if you're watching on our online platform, onespotmedia.com. There's more uncertainty and confusion within the People's National Party, this time over Senate appointments and financial dealings. The latest developments have sent members of the party seemingly into hiding as they try to prevent a potential fallout. We have the details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
It is no secret that the People's National Party has been experiencing financial challenges, and today it emerged that the party owes its former treasurer Norman Horn millions of dollars. Sources told TVJ News that the sum was originally $29 million, but it fell to $19 million as of October. Mr. Horn, in an October 7 email to then General Secretary Julian Robinson, proposed a series of deductions that in the end would leave the party with a $10 million debt to Mr. Horn. A source further indicated that Mr. Horn communicated his position to the current leadership of the party, but no commitment was given for when and how the remaining sum would be paid. The PNP's indebtedness to Mr. Horn stems from a lending arrangement that goes back as far as 2017, when former PNP President Portia Simpson Miller was in charge. We sought answers from Mr. Horn, as well as the current General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell, but we were unable to reach either of them.
The customer you are trying to contact.
The disclosure of the PNP's dealings with Mr. Horn coincides with this week's attempts to fill the 8th and final Senate position on the opposition side. Mr. Horn was recommended as a senator by Dr. Peter Phillips in September when the new parliament convened after the general elections. But Mr. Horn later declined, saying a new party president should be given a free hand to appoint the senators he or she chooses. Current President Mark Golding on Wednesday indicated that he recommended that Peter Bunting fill the seat Horn was to take up. But it appears Mr. Horn has not resigned as senator, which he must do in order for opposition leader Mark Golding to make a new appointment. Senators are appointed for the life of the parliament, and their appointments can't be revoked by either political leader. We asked Attorney at Law Clyde Williams what happens now, especially with the constitutional uncertainty that the situation brings.
My own view is this, that one could perhaps see that Mr. Horn has constructively resigned his seat from the Senate. And why do I say this? I say this for two specific reasons. One, he has not attended a formal swearing-in, though he knows that the instrument of appointment has been sealed. He has not attended a formal swearing-in. And two, his remarks in public that he's not taking up the seat in the Senate, which implicitly means that he understands he has to resign. And thirdly, the fact that he has missed 4 sittings since the appropriate within the 41 days.
It remains to be seen what the uncertainty around the 8th and final opposition senator could mean for party unity within the PNP. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.